All right, AI will replace many things in your sales org, but there are also many things that are unlikely ever to be replaced by AI, at least not anytime soon. Let's talk about 5 of them, along with a warning that I think some sales leaders need to heed. 1, reputation and network. Human trust is a crucial commercial asset. AI doesn't have a Rolodex of people who will answer the phone when you call or respond to the email when you send. And most B2B sales are based upon trust, not just a great demo or technical feature functionality. This is absolutely crucial. 2, champion development. Every complex deal lives or dies on an internal advocate carrying that deal in the rooms that you're not in and selling on your behalf. So understanding what that champion's personal pain or motivation is and building the trust that makes them want to go to bat for you, it's just not something AI can do. AI can identify potential champions from an org chart, but it's unlikely that they'll ever cultivate a champion, as this is entirely relational and personal. 3, navigating unspoken or political dynamics. So reading the room in real time, there's a judgment that operates in the moment of a call or a meeting when a statement is made by the seller or even somebody in the prospect organization, and there's signals that are never captured in a transcript when there's this subtle energy shift, an unspoken signal that a seasoned seller reads in milliseconds or even outside of a meeting. There's this organizational gravity and physics that you need to be moving within, being bold and working past antagonists without triggering those antagonists. This is a craft, and AI is unlikely to ever get to this sort of interpersonal stuff. 4th, nuanced persistence. Doggedly moving forward, refusing to take no or no response for an answer, but doing so with an artfulness that turns no into a yes, without being this overbearing jerk. AI is very good at the ends of the spectrum. So being very pleasing to those it engages or sending these cold outreach emails persistently, despite continued signals to stop. It's this either or, nothing in between. 5, managerial coaching presence and judgment. You just cannot automate a manager who holds a standard accountable within a team, but does so with an understanding of the individuals. Every rep and person is different, responds differently, has different motivations. You're selling internally to inspire or enlist effort. Great sales managers make judgment calls on when to be unwavering on standards, but how to do so in a winsome way, and how to push salespeople further and keep pushing them and helping them think bigger and further without going too far. These are skills that have always separated great sellers and great sales leaders from everyone else, and they matter more now, not less. AI will free up time from rote executional logistics for this artful, very human craft and crucial commercial activity. So ask yourself, when is the last time your organization actually invested in making your team better at these things? If you'd like to build out programs whereby you intentionally and in a structured way make your sales teams better at all of these things alongside implementing AI in your organization, give us a call.